Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by removing phone cases and ensuring battery is above 20% so power savers don't interfere. Go to Display and turn off auto brightness and adaptive features. This forces manual control. Next, enable developer options if you haven't. Tap build number 7 times. Once done, open developer settings to see sensor and brightness overrides. You're starting the diagnostic flow so you can isolate whether software, sensor, or backlight hardware is causing the issue. Now you'll methodically test controls and sensors. Move the slider to 0%, 50%, and 100% and watch for linear backlight response. If jumps occur, note thresholds. Run ambient light and proximity sensor tests from diagnostics or developer tools. Make sure readings change when you cover sensors. Then boot to safe mode to see if a third-party app alters brightness. If brightness works in safe mode, you know an app causes it. Otherwise, continue to hardware checks. For final resolution, back up your data and perform a factory reset to eliminate stubborn software faults. This often restores correct brightness mapping. If sensor diagnostics still show no response, plan a hardware repair. Replace the ambient light sensor or the entire screen assembly with certified parts, because the backlight controller or sensor ribbon can fail. If things go wrong, test with an external lamp to see if backlight responds independently. That tells you whether it's sensor or backlight hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.